This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to figure out how much taxes you owe for your crypto investments. If you're like me, it's extremely frustrating, the reports that these platforms like Coinbase give you, and so this is going to help us figure this out really easily in this tutorial. We're going to be using a tool called cryptotrader.tax. There's a link down below you can click and it will take you over to this page. Yes, it's an affiliate link. But if you click for that and you sign up, it's totally free to sign up. It'll take you to a page that looks just like this, okay? And you can add an account right here, and you can see most of the major exchanges on here: Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Kraken. And I'm going to show you in Coinbase because that's the most common, but you can add the same way using any of these platforms. So we're going to click Add Account, and then we're going to click Coinbase. And I've already done it, as you can see, and so we're going to do Coinbase Pro for this tutorial. Next, you're going to need to go get the report from Coinbase. So in Coinbase, if you go right here, there's a Taxes and Reports section, and it takes you to this page. And then if you file right down here, you're going to see that it's got a report that you can generate. So you'll click Generate Report, and you'll want to generate the CSV report. You can do it for specific years, but I just do the entire thing, and then the software will actually break down each year for you, which is awesome. So I just do the all-time report and click Download, and it's going to download a CSV report of pretty much every transaction you've ever done. Next, you're going to go to cryptotrader.tax. And all you've got to do is click on the exchange that you've added, and then you can see you can upload the report right here. It'll take a few seconds, up to a few minutes, depending on how active you were on the platforms. And you can see here I've got 475 transactions. You'll click Look Good, and it's going to take you to the next step here. You're going to click Next, and it's basically going to show you exactly what was in that CSV report. As you can see, it's kind of a complicated CSV report, but that doesn't matter because it's just going to tell us everything really easily without us having to figure out what all of these lines mean. So I always just scroll down. We click Next right here. It wants us to review the transactions. I'm going to assume that Coinbase gave the proper transactions. And then the next page it's going to show you right here is each year that the report has been generated for. So you can see right here I've got different things happening: trades, lots of reports. So we'll click Start Report, and it's going to create the report for each one. We'll click View Report, and then it's going to ask you to pay for the report. So yes, this is a paid service. It's incredibly hard to figure out yourself, and so to me it's worth, I think it depends on who you are, but $30 to $50 in order to get a report that tells you everything you need to know based on this massive random Excel sheet. After you've paid, it's going to generate a super simple report for you that looks just like this. And this is the information you need to know, plus maybe you need to know long and short term. So you can see here in total capital gains, I've made about $8,100. I was paid $43 in Bitcoin. And then you can download different variations of this report. So if you click Download, you can see different pieces of it. Your accountant will probably want to have this report right here, maybe this report right here. Your accountant's going to want to know short-term and long-term gains. So if you're familiar with crypto, there is, or if you're familiar with investing in general, you pay more if you buy and sell within a single year period. So if you buy some Bitcoin and you sell it within that same year, the taxes tend to be higher for short-term purchase and sales, and then you tend to pay less taxes for long-term purchase and sales. And so your accountant will need to know both of those, and you probably need to know that going forward so that you can end up paying less taxes. But that's your key number right here, and this is your report that you can download and either plug into TurboTax, so you can see right here, TurboTax, or you can give to your accountant if you have an account. And that's how you can get your taxes done extremely easily in the crypto space.